Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove decimals on Shopify prices. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have these decimals for these prices. So if I want them removed, what I can do is I can head over to my Shopify right here, click on the settings. Then from in here, scroll down until I can see the store currency. So just click on these three dots, then click on this change currency formatting. So as you can see right here, you can input this amount, no decimals, under the actual things that we have. So for example, let's try to copy this thing right here. And then let's replace it on the amount that we only have in here. Now let's put that in here as well. We can put that in here. So let's try to replace this. And you can also head over and do this as well on this HTML without currency and also on the email without currency. Now, once you have done this right here, just head over and click on the save option. Then once you have saved that, as you can see, settings has been saved. So let's close this up and then let's refresh this website preview that we have right here. So as you can see, the actual decimal has been removed and we can now see what it will look like. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.